Hi everyone, this is a WMS 5-pin Euro. That's the bitting. Not too bad. Lock works normally. It's obviously been in use for a number of years. Now I'm going to use a couple of techniques to open this. Start with open side tension, and this snake or worm rake. Just give it a few zips with the snake. I felt a little bit of feedback there. So now I'm going to go in with the hook. Just set any pins that are sticking up. So one at the back. Maybe one at the front there. It seems to be set. Yeah, that all feels good. Let's go again with the snake rake. That should finish it off. There we go. Nice easy open.